So
Yeah.
this is the first thumb rule to start any kind of PNID, that always you need to start with the equipment. Okay, this kind of
Yes.
equipment. This is very simple. Huh? By looking into it, you will feel confident that, oh, this is very easy. But yes, it is very easy. But I mean, you will look into this and you just see how it is connected and how you will give the dimensions of these and all. But definitely we'll start with the easy and we will end up with the tough one. Okay, so that by drafting into the AutoCAD software, you will feel confident that yes, I have started drafting the PNIDs. I'm confident enough to draft anything, and then we will go for the tough part. Okay, so this is how
Yeah.
you have started your PNID. This kind of structure you have made. Then after, what you will do, you will go with the pipelines. So now I'll ask you one question. What is the difference between pipe run and pipeline? Can you tell me?
The difference between pipeline and pipe run,
Yeah,
I don't even know what it is.
I literally got frustrated when my senior asked this question. I was literally like, what these things they are asking me? I mean, till now they have not given me the answer. So I am having like a good seniors, like very matured seniors available with me, who is guiding me for this kind of things. I mean, they will not spoon
Okay.
feed you, right? They will not spoon feed you. It is like when we were in the college days or in the school, when you are asking any doubts to your teachers or professors, they will directly tell you the answer. But here my seniors are not like that. They will give me a small kind of small hint. They will direct me into that direction, that I need to think and I need to resolve my doubts by myself. So when they
Okay.
asked me this question, I was like very much confused, and I was like, pipe run and pipeline, they both are, I mean, equally, if I'm going by name, it is like the same. But when I started searching for it, basically for the PNIDs, when you will work now, this pipe run word will be coming. Technically, if someone is understanding the PNID, then
Mhm.
you should use the pipe run word, not pipeline. Pipeline is basically, suppose at your home, do you have gas connection?
Yeah.
Pipeline is there, right? Pipeline or gas bottles you are using.
Yeah. Gas bottles. But
Oh, gas
yeah.
bottles.
Okay.
But some pipeline
Yeah.
connections are there, right? So it is like it is underground. Okay.
Yeah.
It is coming to your home via underground, and it is having a very big length. Okay, which contains the gas from one station to your home. Okay.
Yeah.
It is very big in length. So the difference between pipeline and pipe run is this only, that major difference is the size. Pipe runs will be the small portion of the pipelines. In
Okay.
PNIDs,
Yeah, I got it.
yeah,
It's a
yeah, and
semantic difference. Okay.
yeah, basically. So in PNIDs, basically, when you will see, it is a small unit part of your plant. Okay, it is a very small portion of your plant. So if we see this overall plant tank, this PNID contains only two tanks, and with this kind of pipelines, pipe runs available. So that's why in for PNIDs we are using this pipe run term. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So that is why now you are seeing these pipe runs are coming from this tank and it is going to this tank. This pipe run is coming from here, it is going here, here and here. So you are seeing that how it is, how the paths are made. This particular path is called routing. What do you call routing? Routing of pipeline. It is just like a path that you are giving to pass the fluid from one tank to another tank, one tank to another tank. This pipeline, pipe run, fluid will come from here, it will go here, from here, it will go here in this tank. So wherever in the PNID you are seeing this kind of lines, straight lines, huh? Not dotted lines, straight lines, is called routing. It will define the path of the fluid to flow from one equipment to another equipment, or from one drawing to another drawing. See why
Okay.
I am telling you this kind of terms, because when you will working, you will start working for projects, you will come into interaction with the process engineers, you will interact with the piping engineers, you will interact with the instrumentation engineers as well. So at that time during the discussion they will say routing is like this, pipe runs are like this. So that's why they will not say that fluid is going from this tank to this tank. They will say
Yeah.
routing is like it is going from this tank to this tank. So that is why I'm telling
Okay.
you this kind of words. Okay, so this is called routing. Okay, so to draw the PNID, your thumb rule is, first you will start with the equipment and then you will go for routing.
Routing.
Okay, so this routing will cover each and every pipe runs. Okay, if we talk about this drawing covers here, these all lines you are seeing.
Yeah.
Combinedly it is called routing. So first you will draw equipment and then you will draw routings. Okay,
Okay.
all pipelines you have to draw.
Like
Okay,
routings could be also named fluid transfer.
yeah, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, that is the one thing. Okay, the third part will come with the instruments. Third portion will come with the instruments. Okay, so if I'm zooming this part, if I'm looking here, this is an instrument. This is an instrument wall. This is an instrument actuator, and this is the label of an instrument, item number of the instrument. Okay, this is one
Mm-hmm.
part. Okay, this is one part. This is another part. Then this is the third part. Okay, currently why I am able to visualize that this is the instrument, this is the pipe run, because I have done this kind of things. This is the label of
Yeah.
this instrument, but even though this is round shape, this is not label. This is also instrument. But when it comes here, this you cannot say this is an instrument. This will see in detail.
Okay.
Okay, this will see in detail. So just I
Yes.
am segregating the components right now for major components. Equipment we have seen, routings we have seen, pipelines, pipe runs. Now we are looking for the third portion, that is the instruments. So
Yeah.
this is how the instruments will be available into your PNIDs like this also.
Yeah. As
Okay.
round or
So,
rectangular shapes.
yeah. And the last one is piping component. So piping components, that means it will always be available on the piping. You will see all the
Yeah.
piping components will be associated with the pipe runs only. So when these pipe
Yeah.
runs are there, these all are the piping components. This is also a piping component, and this is also piping component. This is also piping component. This one. Okay. So these are four major components of a PNID: equipment, instrument, pipe run, pipeline, routing or fluid runs, and piping component.
Yeah.
Okay, these four major components, your whole PNID will be drafted. Okay, there are
Yeah.
many small components which is a part of a PNID that we will see. Okay, but I guess today we have seen so many things, so you need to revise those things also, and you need to go through these things so that tomorrow when we will meet, you will ask me the doubts where exactly you have not understood these things. Okay.
Yeah.